In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can exclude a file or folder from Windows Defender scans. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually click on the search bar down in the start menu down here and go ahead and just type in Windows Security and open it up. Once you are in, go ahead and find the virus and threat protection option right here and open that section as well. And just scroll down on this page until you see the virus and threat protection settings. Select manage settings on here and scroll down again until you see the option for exclusions. This should be all the way down to the very bottom. Sometimes it's not though, so just find it on here. And what you're going to want to do is select add or remove exclusions right here. Hit yes, and then you're going to see an option to add exclusions. Go ahead and select that and choose whatever you want to go ahead and exclude, whether it's a file, a folder, a file type, or process. For example, if you want to exclude an entire game folder so Defender stops flagging it, go ahead and choose folder and then find that game, whatever it might be. For example, let's say it's, Call of Duty, just like so. Just select the folder and then hit select folder, just like so, and it's going to pop up on here. And the folder is now going to be excluded, and Windows Defender won't scan or block it anymore. That being said, if you ever want to remove it, go down to this little arrow and hit remove, and it'll disappear. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.